Hello everyone, to our low ponytail we are going to add a rubber band and then start folding it like this into a bow shape and adding this butterfly clip at the middle. Next we're going to take our low ponytail, adding a rubber band at the end, making a space in the middle and then folding it out to the top direction and adding this beautiful butterfly clip. Next we're going to use our finger for grabbing all of the hair and rolling them out and then adding this clip for securing the hair. Next we are going to take our hair and then folding it into a straight bun and adding this beautiful grey clip at one side. Next to our ponytail we are going to use this clip for folding it out as well as securing it, and you can see your beautiful hairstyle is ready. Next we're going to take our ponytail, fold it out like this, and then we're going to lift it up like this and then adding this pin at the end for securing and enhancing. Next we're going to grab hair from one side, making a braid, then taking some hair from one side as well and then joining them both together to the opposite sides, and now you can see your hairstyle is done and looks so good. Next we are going to use this clip to our ponytail, further converting it into a straight shape bun, and it is ready.